Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow others to see teammate evaluations on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this button on the right side corner down below. Tap on the second option on the right side at the top of the screen, which is settings. Go to this left side or right side column and then click on the privacy and social section. After that, you should scroll down to the connections section and click on the allow others to view teammate evaluations section, and this enable button will turn on this feature. However, you can also disable it by tapping on the disable button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.